Hello, in today's video I'll tell you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 making loud noise with hard ingredients. If your THERMOMIX TM6 is making loud noise when you put some ingredients in it, then first of all make sure that your device is set on a non-slip level surface. Try setting it on a surface that isn't slippery and that it is level. It is very important, otherwise it may cause the robot to make some excessive noise. But if you, if that thing that you're using can be cut to pieces, then try cutting it to smaller pieces, like for example some hard cheese and stuff like that. If it's coffee beans, for example, or something that cannot be cut into smaller pieces, then, well, it is normal for the device to make a loud noise because they are simply scraping against the walls of the mixing bowl. So the first few seconds are the loudest, especially if you're doing it at a very high speed, like a 10, a 9, an 8 or 7, something like that. So you just need to take that into account. Unfortunately, I always just when I cook and I know that my recipe requires me to, I don't know, do chocolate at 8th level of speed, then I just like quickly turn it on and step away because it is indeed loud, and yeah, that's the only thing that you can do. But if you still think there's something wrong, you may want to see if your blades are properly seated. So let's see on the inside. As you take this circular sticking out part and try wiggling it, it shouldn't be wiggly, it should only rotate. If it is wiggly, then twist the bottom part clockwise, remove it, then take out the blade. Ensure that the seal is installed. This circular seal may not be green, sometimes it may be gray, but yeah, make sure it's installed and inspect it visually for any creases. You may need to replace it sometimes if it got destroyed for some reason. Then try putting it in and twisting on the bottom cap, and that should fix the issue. If not, then you may want to look for some after sales service, but remember, it is normal for the device to make a loud noise if you're cutting hard ingredients. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.